Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to unzip files on Mac. So first of all, find the zip file that you want to open. For this example, we will use this zip file. One thing you should know is that you do not need to install any extra app to unzip files on Mac because macOS already has this feature built in. Now to unzip the file, simply double tap on the mouse pad or double click using your mouse. And there you go. You can now see that a new folder has been extracted from the zip file. Now let's also see another method using Archive Utility. Press Command plus space from your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here, type Archive Utility. Once you see the result, click on it to open. Now from the top menu bar, click on File, and from this menu, click on Expand Archive. A new window will pop up on your screen where you need to find and select the zip file that you want to unzip. After selecting the file, click on Expand. And there you go. The file has now been successfully unzipped on your MacBook. And that's it. This is how you can unzip files on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.